don't know, soon find out, won't we? Yeah. I can't go until she's out of the way because mine's a little bit heavier to stop and pick up than hers. And my right foot's just slipped. That's the thing, I don't know, it must be the cards or something. While it's flashing red it's recording. But when it stops, that first time you record something, it's got to be the card, I reckon, or something. BBB in front and her friend. Boating like a bird or babe or BBB in front. BBB. Alright. Hello everyone. Join us on this lovely wet day on a Sunday. We're heading over to the Super Sausage to meet a few others. I said I'd bimble over with BBB, Boating Bike Bird, and her friend who's in front of us. Her name escapes me, so I apologise for that. She's a new rider. So I said I'll shepherd from the back, as it's not the nicest of days, as you can see. Still warm, 14 degrees, but nevertheless peeing down. We've got to stop in Leighton for some fuel, and then once we get to Leighton it's pretty boring dual carriageway, so I'll probably switch you back on at the Super Sausage if there's anybody there. Anyone madder than us to come out in this weather. Although to be fair, I think it's actually stopped raining at the minute, so it's always a bonus. So, nearly at Leighton. I'll catch you guys when we get to the sausage. Don't look behind us now, but it's the sound of the police, it's the feds! Whoop, whoop. It's the sound of the police. The feds behind us now, got to be careful. I can smell the breakfast from here. Oh you think you're fucking going, bitch? Pigs away! We are nearly at the Super Sausage, where it will be time for a nice breakfast, nice cup of tea, and a chat with the lovely people at the frequent at the Super Sausage on a Sunday. Unfortunately, I've got to use the audio from the Ghost because with the microphones plugged into the Insta, it's not waterproof, and I'm not buggering up a £400 camera. Super Sausage, Telcaster. They'll probably come down from the dry bit. Fucking look at the queue for food. Fuck that, bake and roll it is. Yeah, let me get to the corner first. Stay where you are. Okay. Yeah, let you get off. Alright. Here we are at the Super Sausage. No sign of RB, although his bicycle is here. Alright guys, see you in a few.
When I was 18, I hadn't been on the road in a car or anything, so I had no idea how you don't, do you? And you know, all these 16-year-olds out, they had not a clue.
Oh, when you take
I've never been in the back of it.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah.
I still suck at U-turns and I've done what 4 CBTs now. I still can't do it, I don't know why.
Do you know what?
They're watching me.
I can't do it on that, but I did it on